Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Insert an active 5G SIM and confirm your carrier plan supports 5G. Power off the phone, insert the SIM and power back on. Open Settings, then tap Network and Internet to access mobile network options. Tap SIM for the inserted card and verify the status shows active and registered. If the card shows no service, contact your carrier for provisioning and 5G activation. Keep the SIM tray sealed and the phone restarted after changes. In Network and Internet, choose preferred network type and set it to 5G or 5G/4G/3G. Return to Mobile Network and select access point names to view APN entries. Edit or create an APN using your carrier values exactly as provided. Save the APN, select it, and restart mobile data to apply settings. Also open data usage and disable data saver if you want unrestricted background 5G traffic. Go to a verified 5G coverage area and look for the 5G icon in the status bar. Run a speed test and compare results to your carrier's expected 5G ranges for your plan. If you do not see 5G, toggle airplane mode off and on to refresh connections. Clear the system cache partition and reset network settings if problems persist. As a last step, contact your carrier and provide phone model and a MAE for provisioning support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.